Hi guys, it's ShanChan, and today we're going to be doing another hiragana lesson, and we're going to do our N sounds, okay? This is kind of a unique letter. It's the only one in the whole Japanese writing system that I know of that has a consonant sound without a vowel sound at all attached to it. So N wrote by itself looks like this. It's kind of like a lowercase h that's been italicized. But this is close enough to RN to where this character should be pretty quick and easy to remember. The next character that we're going to do is no. And I made an association with no that was quick and easy for me to remember because I like anime. And I like a show called Naruto. This is the character for no. I think this character kind of looks like the symbol that they use to represent Naruto's village, which is the Hidden Leaf Village. So I remembered this because it looked like that, and because I thought it was ironic, because the whole show of Naruto is based on Naruto wanting to belong and wanting to make sure that every other ninja felt like they belonged as well. And no is actually something called a particle. You put it between two words and it shows the relationship between the two words. And the relationship it indicates is one of belonging. It's a possession marker. It shows that this thing belongs to this other thing. So, no, possession marker means belonging. Real easy way to remember this character. So, another character that we're going to learn is ni. And ni is actually a particle as well. This is ni. Now, because ni is a particle and is used very often, it had to be able to be wrote simply and quickly. So the way you write this is you draw the vertical part and you just sort of pick up your pen at the end, and that's how you get that little tick. And then this is kind of like a horizontal parentheses, you know? And so you write the top part and then you pick up your pen and go back this direction and write the bottom part. So it's down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. It's a real easy, flowy movement to write this character, ni. This particle basically means at or to. And so you can see why it would be used quite a bit in their language, or in any language basically. The next character, if you recall when we did the M sounds, I told you that me was related to an N sound character. Well, logically you would think that it would be ne, but it's not. It's new. And that's kind of confusing. So you just have to kind of remind yourself over and over, me is actually related to new. Me, new. Me, new. Me, new. Me, new. The two are related. Let me show you how they're related. They're related in the way that they're drawn or wrote. This is me. And this is new. So the difference is as the tail comes around on the new, it has one of those loops at the bottom. So why they chose to relate these two characters, I don't know. But these two are related. Now, if they're related, then you're asking, well, how do you write ne? Well, ne is actually related to re and wa in the way that it's wrote. But ne is actually a particle as well. Ne is a particle that is asking basically, do you agree? We actually learned another particle that I didn't point out because I wasn't thinking about particles when I was teaching you the hiragana, but actually ka. Ka is a particle as well. Ka is kind of like a verbal question mark. You put it at the end of a sentence to indicate that it's a question. But there's a difference between ka and ne, which also goes at the end of the sentence. Ne is asking if you agree, whereas ka is just marking a general question. So an example, ka would be, is the test hard? And ne would be, this test is hard, isn't it? So, this is how you write ne. Okay? So it's a vertical line, and then you kind of write this Z shape over it, but as the tail comes around the vertical line, it comes down and makes one of those loops as well. So a lot of the N sounds have this loop in them. Ne has it, Nu has it, Na has it. A lot of them have this. And soon we're going to be doing the R sounds, and you'll get to see Re, which also is similar to Ne. And you'll see in later video the Wa, which is similar to Re and Ne. And hopefully when we get through all of them, it'll all kind of come together. And then when we finish all of hiragana, we'll do a big review. And at the end of each video, we review each character. So hopefully that'll help make a little bit more sense out of all of these. So let's do that now. Let's review our N sounds. Okay, so I totally forgot to do Na. No tricks for this one. Here it is. In, no, ni, nu, ne. So that's all of our N sounds, and we'll be doing our R sounds next. So if you guys find this helpful at all, which I don't know if you will because of all these particles that I just threw at you, but I'll do a particle review video later too after we do the hiragana, just so you know. But anyway, if you find these at all helpful, then don't forget to like my videos, and if you want to make sure that you catch that next video, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Either way, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!